awake now. 4 a.m. Going out for big gags, opening day. A little windy, forecast all over the place. We don't know what's going to happen. Start at 55, move out to 65. Hopefully we find some big ones. We're going to some area that I destroyed gags this winter. As you know, gags often in the winter move in and in the summer move off. But you still can find some stragglers, so that's what we're hoping to find. Wish us luck.
Alright guys, we're gonna go up here, throw the net as usual. Maybe I'll get Jordan to get a clip of me throwing pancakes with the barracuda real quick. And we're gonna head offshore. Got some grunts and the live well already. I think it's gonna be a good morning. Gonna get on a hot bite. Alright guys, stay tuned.
Took a minute.
Like getting shocked by 110.
What you got, Justin?
Gag. Nice gag.
Oh, nice gag. He's gonna be short.
Dang, he's close though.
Yeah.
Dude, you just lost the keeper gag, right?
That was probably the one that just ate my bait.
I don't even know. Oh shoot, don't want to leave yet now.
I know, right? Did we just drift over something we need?
40.
Yeah.
Get him, Jordan. Jordan's hooked up to a nice gag. It's gonna be. Come on.
Somebody get the net.
Yeah.
Mike, get the net. Oh, keep it red. Nice red.
Yeah, get that net quick, quick, quick.
Yeah, hook's bent, hook's bent. Oh no!
Oh my god.
Nice red.
Really?
Yep.
All right, check it
Got a
out.
grunt and your hook.
That was my freaking fish.
Oh, I just missed one.
That was your fish, bud.
Oh my god.
Oh man. There it is.
Got it.
Justin missed him there.
God, man.
Look, that's how you know is you're not. There's no line on there. Damn, and we got the bonus points for the league with that one.
Boss Hog, Day Bucket, or Morgan.
What was that hit like?
I gotta put it on the tape like a rocket.
Like a rocket.
Not the color we want.
Oh, what's that? What's that? Borgie?
Another one.
Oh, you didn't show your release though?
I mean, it flew out of my hand.
If I get one, they're only gonna count one of them. Oh, strawberry! What's that? That's a big one too. Damn, that's like a pretty.
Some of the species do.
That's a pretty decent strawberry. Pretty fish.
And your mother-in-law can cook that.
Yeah. It's got this nice little scamp here. It's got some pretty colors. I know. All right, thanks, buddy. Oh, go down, go down. You got blood on my shirt.
You're 30.
Yeah.
This isn't gonna get him, I'll tell you that.
Get him, get him, get him. Nice fish. Are you recording?
No.
Got him?
Yeah.
Is that on the Mac?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a keeper all day. Show me gag, show me gag.
It's wrapped up in this line right here, I think.
That's a gag. Oh, that's a keeper gag. Oh, fuck.
Oh, damn.
Yes, sir. That's what I'm looking for.
Woo! Yeah, baby.
Let's go.
And 4.
And some more. Yeah, that was on the Mac?
Nice.
Boston Mac, baby.
Hell yeah.
Finally got the target there. That's a nice keeper gag. That's going in the box.
Solid.
Boom. Good one. Now we gotta measure that. It's going right in. What's going on, guys? So we got a nice gag here today. Gonna fillet this puppy up.
He's petting it. He's petting his pit gag.
Yeah.
Murdered in cold blood.
Gonna do a clean and cook with this guy. Catch, clean, and cook. It's gonna be a full episode.
We probably should have had 4 gags today, huh, Mike?
Yeah.
Rough bite for sure. I mean, we got a nice red grouper. We got a nice gag. Ton of grunts.
Oh, this knife is not very nice to me. Kind of making it work here.
So, how are you filleting this, Ryan?
I'm just going right from the top of the head, straight back around the belly. I have someone that I'm going to give this to, so I'm not worried about getting all the meat off because they're going to make some fish soup with it. So I'm just going to get the nice fillets for us.
Makes sense to me. It's like you're running down the spine. Ryan, why did you eat me?
Because you're tasty.
What'd you catch them on, Ryan?
This one was on a Boston mackerel.
Oh, I heard Boston mackerels don't work in 60 feet of water.
No, they don't work.
Oh, who told you that?
I'm not going to say.
You're not gonna say Chris Pettit?
I'm not going to call out my buddy Chris like that.
Nah, he probably slayed it today. He's been on a hot gag bite, so I hope him the best.
He's probably crushing it right now.
He didn't respond to any of my radio calls, but that's okay. I won't hold it against him.
Yeah, he was probably too busy catching all the fish.
You're just running it down the spine, working that backbone.
Yep. Right down the backbone here, guys.
But what do you think is the difference between gag and red grouper?
Oh man, I don't know. I don't even know how to explain it. Gag is it's just that much better meat. I mean, I just love the taste of it. It's nice and firm. Red grouper can get a little mushy at times. Gag just seems like it holds together. And you also don't usually get the worms with gags either. Red grouper, you can get worms in them. The gags, you don't see the worms as often. I mean, at least we don't where we fish. Some people might run into them, but not us.
Not a bad fillet. Yeah, right? That's a good way to put it.
Pretty much. Alright. Helps if you have a very sharp knife. This one, we're making it work.
Sorry guys, we're low budget over here.
Yeah, we're low budget. We're not big time yet.
We spend all our money on fishing and not equipment.
Don't make this mustad knife work here though.
Whoa, don't shout out mustard dad like that.
Oh, sorry.
It's just because we don't keep your knife sharp, mustard. I'm sorry, it's our fault, not you.
We'll bleep that out. Look, that worked great though. I mean, look at that. We
Big old chunk of meat.
didn't miss. Crap, mustad shout out.
Yeah.
Worked awesome. I mean, this blade's dull and that's still.
Yeah, this blade's been
hammered
sitting
it.
out in the sun for 3 weeks and
Yeah.
probably has filleted more fish than I care to count.
Yeah, exactly. Now we're gonna cut out these bones here. Bunch of bones right down this line right here.
You could do this without losing a lot of meat, just like he's doing. You don't get all those pin bones.
Yeah, usually they don't run all the way down. Depends on the fish.
We haven't had gag to eat since the winter.
I know, I'm excited for this. I'll probably just clean this up all the way down. That's a nice fillet still right there.
All right, cool. We'll check. All right, we got this nice fillet now. Go ahead, Ryan.
So we got a tip from one of our buddies. They said never rinse your fillets in fresh water. So we took a bucket from offshore. I've already rinsed a bunch of fillets in here, but you rinse them in nice salt water from offshore where you're fishing. Not that water by the boat ramp. You don't want to use that nasty crap. But I mean, I'm already liking it because I rinsed off these fillets. You bring them up and they still have that slime coat kind of protecting the meat. It feels a lot more firm already, and I can just tell this is going to be great when we cook it up. So the only time you can rinse it with fresh water, right before you cook it, you can give it a quick splash and then pat it dry immediately, like real quick, and it shouldn't ruin the meat. But just a good tip. We'll let you guys know if we could tell a difference once we cook this up. Should find out a little bit. going on, guys? We're back at the house now. It's a few days later. We were pretty beat that day. So we got our Gag Grouper here. And this is just covered in flour right now. We're gonna do an egg wash. And then I got some panko and parmesan in here with some Everglades seasoning mixed in there too. This stuff is awesome. Everything. But yeah, you can never have enough in there. So we're gonna do a Parmesan crusted Gag Grouper, and then I'm gonna make a nice creamy Parmesan garlic sauce to just drizzle over top of it. It's really good. It's really good. I had to try it out the other day, so we're cooking it now. So you're gonna take a grouper, make sure it's nice and coated in flour. That helps the egg stick to it. We're gonna dip right in the egg.
Make sure you make a mess of your counter while you're doing this.
Yeah, that's all right. We're gonna clean it up afterwards. But that flour helps the egg stick, and then the egg's gonna help that nice Parmesan crust stick to there. Lay that out, and if you let them, after you bread them, you let them set for 5-10 minutes, it'll stick a lot better when you throw it in the fryer.
I did not know that. That's news to me.
Yeah. This is a thick piece right here.
I'll leave the inappropriate jokes for the boat.
Yeah. I was waiting for it. I was trying to set Jordan up with one there, but he didn't.
We got kids running around, man. I'm a dad.
That's all right.
All right, so we'll check back in after we get all these done.
Nice one right there. Boom. For the best part, we're making a garlic Parmesan sauce. Now we're making quite a bit of it. I'm gonna save some for leftovers. So you take a nice scoop of garlic, put it in there. That's quite a bit of garlic, but
That's a whole stick of butter.
yeah, whole stick of butter we threw in there. Open the big boy side of the Parmesan because the sauce is supposed to be, a Parmesan sauce. Throw quite a bit of Parmesan. And I mean, this is all the taste. Once I get this mixed up, we can add more if we need to, but that looks like a good starting point. Now you're gonna take your heavy whipping cream. We're gonna pour some of that in there. Just douse it. That's pretty good right there. And some lemon. I'm gonna pick that seed out because I really don't want that in here. And we're gonna start with half a lemon. Squeeze the whole half a lemon in there. And to thicken it up, we're gonna put some flour in there. Help that sauce get thick.
Insert inappropriate joke here.
I'm waiting for it, so like inappropriate joke I can throw in there. Let's start mixing this up. Oh, and we are on low heat right now, just so you know. Okay, we're pretty much just gonna cook this until we cook the floury taste out of it and that sauce thickens up. Oh, almost forgot. I got this sauce idea from South Florida Fishing Channel. South Florida Fishing Channel. He made a similar sauce on a triggerfish recipe that he made the other day. So I tried it out, but just added some Parmesan and some heavy whipping cream and made a sauce out of it, and it came out amazing. So
If we go down there and visit him, I just want to eat his food.
yeah, his recipes do look awesome. It always makes me hungry when I'm watching.
I want to shoot iguanas too. That'd be cool.
That would be pretty cool.
Slow-mo of the iguanas is crazy.
Yeah, that would be sweet.
We're big fans of you, but
Definitely. Heiko, big shout out. We love your channel. Look at that, man. It's already nice and thickened out. It's gonna be great over this fish. So we're gonna put the fish over some brown rice and then just glop this sauce on there. It is time. Throw this fish in the grease.
gotta run. She's gonna get you.
Alright, so we're gonna cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes aside. And everything else should be. And then we're gonna eat. Just cut that one open.
Looks good though.
Yeah, it's good.
Got some roasted romaine. And what'd you say? Soy and what?
Soy sauce, garlic.
Garlic. Yep. Looks good.
Brown rice. And the sauce. The super secret, not so secret sauce.
Which you now know.
What's up? We're ready to go. We got all the food spread out here. We're gonna take some rice. Plop some rice on that plate.
Wow.
Boom, look at that. Make a little nice little rice bed. Take some broccoli. Throw that next to the rice there. Gonna take some of this roasted romaine. Soy sauce, garlic. It's amazing. So good, so good. I just found out about this. My mother-in-law made it. It was unreal. Life changed.
Life change.
Never knew you could do that with romaine. And let's see. This is my wife's plate. What kind of piece is she gonna want? She don't need that much. We're gonna take a small piece here. One of my ones I checked out here. Gonna flop that right on the rice there. Boom. And last but not least, take some of this amazing sauce here. And we're just gonna douse it. Gonna douse it in that sauce. So you can get a little bit in the rice there. Oh yeah. I bet you this would probably be really good on the broccoli too. I'm gonna do that on my plate, but
Cheesy broccoli.
I don't want to touch my wife's broccoli. I don't know. She might not like that. And there you go. No crazy presentation there. We don't got
Thumbnail.
parsley and all that stuff, but that's a nice, hearty, healthy meal right there.
Boom. Well done.
And that's it.
Looks good.
Let's get some taste testing going. All right, Jordan, what do you think?
Very good. Perfect. Exactly how I like it. I'm psyched. So psyched right
Psych counter 3.
now. Jamie O'Brien. Shop.com. No one's not psyched.
No one's gonna try some out right now. Look at that. He's getting ready. He's getting up. No. Okay. We got Ava over here eating the broccoli. Ava, did you try it yet?
I'm gonna try it right now.
Try it right now. Let's see. Let's see what you think. How is it? The best thing you've ever tasted in your whole entire life? Yeah, it's good. All right, awesome. Well, I'm gonna dig into mine now. So, yeah. See you guys later. Thanks for watching. Gonna have some of mine. Hold on. Let's get a bite in here. Mmm. Oh man. Amazing. Try this recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let us know what you guys want to see next. We're gonna have a 1,000 subscriber challenge coming up pretty soon. Let us know what you guys want us to do for it. We'll catch you later. Peace.
Man.